Hi guys, Matt from OpTempo Training Group here. Hey, we're out in the Central Valley in California today, working with a local agency, getting them some just continual training on active shooter, CQB, a little bit of HRT, and high risk stops. So it's going to be a good training day today. Hey guys, so we're halfway through our training day today. We have gone through all the tactics, techniques, and procedures for corner fed, center fed, L-shaped rooms. We're now moving on to actual force on targets and then force on role players. Hey guys, we wrapped up our training day today with our agency out here in the Central Valley. Got a lot of reps in, a lot of work in, target ID, threat assessment, working through problems in different types of rooms, center fed, corner fed, etc. And also incorporating some of the stuff that we're seeing with new policies, laws, procedures that agencies are seeing across the board. So really elevating officers and deputies' games, at the same time keeping them safe and kind of keeping within the constraints of the current law enforcement climate. So if you guys are looking for any kind of training for your agency or your unit, please reach out to us. We'd love to come out and work with you. Reach us at admin@optempotraining.com, and we'll hear from you soon.